Imagine stretching a rubber band tighter and tighter until it finally snaps. Now imagine the entire universe as that rubber band. Sounds dramatic? Well, scientists believe the universe is expanding, and it's not slowing down, it's speeding up. But what happens when the stretching never stops? To understand this, we need to go back to the moment of creation, the Big Bang. Roughly 13.8 billion years ago, the universe exploded into existence and has been expanding ever since. Initially, this expansion was slowing down due to gravity, but then, about 5 billion years ago, something changed. The expansion started speeding up. This mysterious force pushing the universe apart, it's called dark energy, and it makes up around 70% of everything in existence. Here's where it gets unsettling. If dark energy keeps accelerating the expansion, galaxies will eventually move so far apart, their light won't ever reach us. The night sky will go dark, not from lack of stars, but from the space between them growing too fast for light to bridge. But what if it doesn't stop there? Some scientists predict a terrifying endgame, the Big Rip. In this scenario, the expansion doesn't just push galaxies apart, it begins tearing them apart. First, galaxy clusters break away from each other, then galaxies themselves unravel, then solar systems. Eventually planets, and finally atoms. That's right. The fabric of space-time could stretch so far, so fast, that it rips everything, down to the smallest particles, into nothingness. This isn't science fiction, it's a real theory backed by mathematical models. If dark energy grows stronger over time, what scientists call phantom energy, then the Big Rip becomes unavoidable. So when might this happen? Some estimates say it could be around 22 billion years from now. Others suggest it might never happen at all. It all depends on the nature of dark energy, a force we still barely understand. But here's the haunting part. If the Big Rip is real, there will be a moment when gravity no longer holds planets in orbit, when molecules can no longer bond, and when atoms themselves are torn apart by a universe gone wild. Reality as we know it snaps. Fortunately, that moment, if it ever comes, is far in the future. For now, our universe keeps stretching, silently, endlessly, into the unknown. But one thing is certain, we're all riding on a cosmic rubber band. The question is, how far can it stretch before it breaks? For more videos like this, visit and subscribe to Knowledge Hub.